Welcome back, Rollin Throttle family. We're out here on Iron Mountain Road in the fall time, getting this beautiful scenery. Somebody wants to ride before the snow falls.
Yes. It's going to be a long winter here in South Dakota.
Yes, it is. So we're out here getting the beautiful scenery and show you guys what it's like in the fall time out here on this road, because most of you just see it when it's green during the rally. So
yeah, all the tourists are long gone by this time.
yep. So you know what? Enjoy the video.
What's going on, Rollin Throttle family? We are out here on Iron Mountain Road in the fall time. See Rollin Throttle's up there in front of me, just ripping the turns like she always does. We wanted to come out here and show you what this beautiful scenery is in the fall without the rally traffic. Getting a little chilly right now. We're in the 50s today, so won't be long we'll have snow out here, but sit back, enjoy the ride, enjoy the scenery, and we'll get back with you. So we're coming up on what they call the pigtails. Man, these things are awesome to ride. It's a lot more fun out here without the rally traffic, because you're not having to slow up. You can actually zoom around them, drag some boards, drag some exhaust, have a little bit of fun. But man, it is beautiful. Leaves changing. So you're wondering how I'm talking to you. Well, I'm on the new Cardo Pactive, I'm on the new Cardo Pack-Talk Edge. My other Cardo finally stopped charging, which, I mean, it happens. It happens with rechargeable units. But it lasted a long time. I have to stand behind the Cardo products. They are awesome. They lasted a long time. I mean, we took it through snow, ice, rain, hot weather out in the deserts. They've been through all years and years of use in the elements with us. So, yeah, I highly recommend Cardos. And they're super easy, especially to connect to the Insta360 we have, the new X4. Oh yeah, running up on some traffic as always, but it happens. We'll do this several times, running up and down the mountain. We're not very far from here. It takes us about 20-30 minutes to get out here. And I love this side of Iron Mountain coming this way, because when you're coming up on this side of the mountain and you look over to your right, you can see Mount Rushmore the distance is versus, you know, coming down the mountain, you're looking away from it. So we always come in on the Keystone end. It's a great ride. And as usual, the cars, you know, it's a small road. You can't really pass. Not a lot of places to pull off. So you kind of got to take the way it is, you know. All right, coming up on the old tunnel. One at a time. You got to be careful when you come up on this. This is awesome. We'll ride on through, and then we'll come back and do it again. I'm kind of doing a moto vlog through here, so go ahead. Hey, this is behind the scenes, man. This is what happens. You kind of work through it, especially when your wife is doing stuff with you, and so we're going. Like I said, we'll run this thing 2 or 3 times, get some awesome shots. Show you guys the beauty of this road. It is a fun little road to ride, but you gotta be careful. They'll jump up and bite you if you're not paying attention. Here comes my favorite part: the single tracks, zipping through the trees. Oh man, this is beautiful with the fall foliage. If you only come out here in the rally season, all you get is green. Which is beautiful, don't get me wrong, but man, this is awesome. Leaves changing, riding through the single track, this is awesome. Yeah, beautiful single track. Nobody's here, so we'll rip through it. Like I said, you just gotta be careful, this place will jump up bite you, and you gotta watch out for people on the side of the roads because they here comes another pigtail. Into the tunnel. Probably rip up to the top of the mountain here, turn around at the park and ride, or overlook parking, rip back down the mountain. I mean, I'm not getting wrong. The other side, it's great, but this is the fun side. The Keystone side is the fun side coming up. God dang crystal. Back into another single track coming up the hill. And crossed over into Custer County. That's a problem. Having a stock front end, man. It just wants to give away on me. We'll go in here, reset, run back down the hill. Go from there. Sweet.
But I guess we're just doing what some say. The hour and a minute have to be serving us if anyone wanna play. Instead of just telling you I'll roll with Alex, I'll tell you I'm rolling with X. I'm a own superhero, I don't need a tank.
Alright, hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you enjoyed all the shots and the foliage, because that was the whole point. Come out here, see the pretty trees and everything. Drop in the comments what you like about the road, if you rode it, and if you haven't rode it, what would you like to see more of? She's just going to shake her head at me.
I'm gonna go in the store and check it out and see what kind of tourist goodies I can get.
Oh, okay. Well, don't forget to go to rollinthrottle.com to pick up your parts, pick up your swag. Every bit helps us and helps us continue to bring quality stuff to you guys. So with that being said, we'll see you guys next time.